Well, that doesn't look good. That's where I want to go. Oh, well. It's been an interesting week. Halloween's a-coming. Had a mini hailstorm one day. Sitting there and I thought somebody threw a handful of pebbles at my window, and it kept going. I was like, oh, sure enough, it was sleet. Luckily it was small, so no damage, but it's like that wasn't supposed to happen. Then next morning, get up and look out the window, and there's my truck covered in a layer of snow. And it kept flurrying all morning. We didn't get any accumulation here, but up at Bibiambumpa, it looked like they got about an inch or so. The ground was covered. October 17th, I'm sorry, that's too early for snow. November 17th, alright, I'll work with you on that one. But October, not so much. Hearing some funny ticking noises. Hopefully it's just a leaf captured somewhere, but yeah, I had to rake up my first batch of leaves this morning. I am not at all seeing what's causing that. Sounds, it's just going to drive me nuts. I don't think it's indicating anything wrong, but it's annoying. I now know what it is. It's my chin strap. Just have to pull over and rectify the situation. It's funny, it sounds like it's coming out of the damn bike, but it's not. Of course, the one time I want a red light, it stays green. Wouldn't you figure? Ain't it always the way? Yep. Maybe if I time this, if I go real slow, I'll catch a red one on this one. If not, I'm just going to have to bite the bullet somewhere and pull over and do my chin strap. Nope. Isn't that funny? You want a red light and it never happens. You want a green light and that sumbitch be turning red just as you're driving up to it. Alright, I gotta fix this chin strap. It's driving me absolutely knuckin' futz. Whilst I'm sitting here, give you a view of the mountains. that fixed it. Cool beans. So anyways, my young cousin Bob almost blew me up last night.
Don't blow yourself up.
Yeah, where's the thing?
Right there.
Oh, is that why his truck is moved?
Yeah.
Have you ever used Noni Bug?